In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, using the most straightforward and efficient methods available. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this guide, your card is ready for use both virtually and physically. To begin, you'll need to log into your PayPal business account. Now, this step is essential as it grants you access to the necessary features to manage your PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. After logging in, you should navigate to the Card Summary section. This area is typically found under the Wallet or Business Tools menu. For some, it might be directly labeled as Business Debit Card. Spending a little time getting familiar with these sections is worthwhile, as you'll often return to these settings for other card management tasks in the future. Once you're in the right section, select the card that you intend to activate. It should be clearly listed there. In this context, the word "select" simply means clicking on or highlighting the card. After selecting, you will see an option that says Activate Card. This is your next key action, so go ahead and click on it. When you click Activate Card, you'll be prompted to enter some specific information about your card. This will typically include entering the card's expiry date. It's crucial to have your card handy at this point to ensure you enter the information accurately. Following this, you might be asked to set a 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN. If prompted, choose a number that you'll easily remember, but won't be easily guessed by others. Confirming these details is an integral part of securing your card for transactions. With these simple steps completed, your virtual card is activated immediately, granting you the ability to make online transactions right away. It's a seamless process that ensures you can start using your card without any unnecessary delays. However, to ensure your physical card also functions properly, these online activation steps are crucial. Once done, the physical card is ready for all transactional activities, just like the virtual one. Remember, activating your card properly is essential not only for functionality, but also for ensuring your financial information remains secure. Pay close attention to each step and ensure that any information you input is accurate. By following these steps, you'll be equipped with a powerful tool for your business that keeps your transactions smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the activation process clear and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more instructional content on managing and optimizing your business tools.